are hot, they are nice, they are yummy, they are smelling. Mwah. Hi guys, and welcome to another video. So today I'm making something simple that you can still make in your kitchen, and I hope you love this video. In case you're new here and you've just arrived to my channel, my name is Ruth Wambogo and you're welcome aboard. So today, you know how cold it has been over the last couple of days, you know, and sometimes you just get home or you're just at home and feeling a little bit cold. You want to curl up with your Masai shuka on the sofa and just feel the warmth and the comfort of your house, and maybe you also want to go in and snack on something you love. Then I'm going to show you my favorite snack when I'm watching and curling up on my sofa, and it's something simple you should be able to do in your house kitchen. And today we are just making some popcorns. So as I've introduced to you, you're gonna need some coconut oil, you're gonna need a spoonful of salt, you're gonna need some oil. This is this canned oil, guys. This one doesn't have a very strong flavor, so I recommend it if the coconut flavor really puts you off. And then I'm gonna be having these knife as popcorn. So I'm gonna measure. You basically need just these. Believe you me, this is a lot of popcorn and it's gonna fill my bowl. Then I have this spoon which I'm gonna use to stir my popcorns, and then I have this spoonful to just measure maybe the salt. Then I have my lid, which is a suit to this sufuria, and then this will be my popping sufuria. And then I'll have my gas put to medium hot to hot when I start popping the popcorn. So let's quickly get into it.
The first thing you want to do is to put on your heat and then heat up your sufuria bits.
Then I'll put some oil. Then I will put my popcorn and then salt. And then I'll just fry it in. Make sure that I'm just doing it for you. I'll just zoom it in for you there, and then you can see my popcorn. I've actually put in the popcorn, the oil is hot. Then you want to spread the popcorn just there to each popcorn to be laying flat here on this sufuria. And then you can cover it up. Our heat, as you can see, that's my cooking heat. The popping sound has almost stopped, so I've just put my heat off until the popping sound stops. Then I will obviously open up my lid. Look at that. Go ahead and pour my popcorns into this other, and look at that. That's the back of my sufuria, as you can see. No leftover unpopped corns, and yep, my popcorns are here. So our popcorns are here. They are all popped, they are hot, they are nice, and if you're not a mini, go ahead and invite your friends over and then chit chat over that movie, or just curl up with your sisters and enjoy. So you can go ahead and spice them up like you love. Some people add some turmeric, some other add black pepper, some other add cinnamon. Go ahead and switch your flavors like you love to. For now, I'm gonna get going and enjoy my popcorns and watch a movie that is waiting for me in the city room. So thank you. As you can see, I'm off to watch that movie I was telling you about, to curl up and warm myself with this kikoi. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and also click on that notification bell so that you are notified every time I post a new video. Until next time, I love you all guys, and I will see you. Bye bye, and make sure that you keep warm. Mwah.